Hey guys, we will now go through how to use a normally closed relay. Let's get into it. Let's go through the reason for using a normally closed relay. The devices that you connect onto the normally closed relay is mostly devices that does not work off a relay itself. They work off FETs, which means if you leave voltage there for too long, the voltage will stay there and the circuit will no longer open or close. Let's go through the connections on the normally closed relay. On the one side is power. You will have to power the device with 12 volts AC or DC. Next to it, you'll see a trigger input. This is a normally closed trigger input. On the other end, you will see there is a relay common, a normally open, and a normally closed. In our example today, we will be using a set of door contacts to turn on a LED light using our normally closed relay. I will now take you through the connections we made. You will note that we have incoming power, 12 volt AC or DC, negative and positive. We also have our door contact, which is directly wired into the trigger. Then we have a bridging wire from negative to common, which is our input. I will link the video above, how to connect a relay. On the LED, we've got the positive line directly to positive. And we've got the negative line into normally open. Let's power the system on. Okay, you will note that when the circuit is opened, the relay switches and the light turns on. And when you close the circuit, the light turns off. This can be used to identify when your pedestrian gate or your sliding gate is open. It can also be done by the motor, but this way if they were to derail your gate, the light would still go off even though the motor would say the gate is still closed. Another application for this, you can replace the door contact with a beam, point-to-point beam or any type of alarm beam that is normally closed, and that can also turn on either a relay or a contactor or a timer. That can switch your garden lights on, or that can switch a alarm trigger on the alarm system. And that was how to use a normally closed relay.